Easy Clean Grill baskets are the perfect solution for anyone who loves to grill but hates the hassle of cleaning up afterwards. There are many products available to choose Easy Clean Grill baskets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Easy Clean Grill baskets from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Isamly Barbecue Grilling Basket. The Isamly Grill Basket makes outdoor cooking easier and more enjoyable. Its 12 by 6 by 3 inch size is perfect for grilling a variety of foods, from vegetables to meats. The tight mesh design ensures that your food stays securely in place while cooking, giving you peace of mind. Plus, the detachable wooden handle allows for easy storage and transport, making it convenient for picnics and camping trips. With a safety slide buckle, you can lock the grill clips in place, ensuring even heating for perfectly cooked kebabs every time. Number 2. Mr. Barbecue Grill Barbecue Basket. The Mr. Barbecue Basket is designed to enhance your grilling experience. It allows you to prepare your favorite foods and serve them directly from the grill, making outdoor cooking more convenient. The heat-resistant Bakelite serving tray catches any liquids, ensuring a mess-free cooking process. With its antique brass finish, this grilling tray not only performs well but also adds a touch of style to your outdoor setup. Measuring 12 inches by 12 inches, it's the perfect size for a variety of foods, allowing you to enjoy delicious meals with ease. Number 3. 3-pack grill baskets for outdoor grill. The 3-pack grill baskets for outdoor grill includes a large 13.7-inch by 11.8-inch by 2.4-inch basket and two small 9.7-inch by 8-inch by 1.6-inch baskets, all made of heavy-duty stainless steel. The raised edges keep food inside, while small perforations allow heat and smoky flavor to pass through. The baskets are easy to clean with a scouring pad or dishwasher. They are designed to fit all grills and smokers and can be used as a grill tray or wok. The Vencino company is confident in their product and offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Number 4. Rolling Grill Basket. The Avtiva grill baskets are designed for ease and efficiency in outdoor cooking. The removable wooden handles provide a comfortable grip and excellent heat resistance, making it safer to manage your food on the grill. Their innovative nesting design allows you to store them compactly, saving space in your kitchen or when traveling. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, these baskets ensure a safe cooking experience while being easy to clean. Whether you're grilling vegetables or seafood, these baskets enhance your barbecue experience, making it enjoyable and hassle-free. Number 5. UNCO Grill Basket. The UNCO Grill Basket is designed for grilling enthusiasts who love to cook vegetables, seafood, and small meats. Its durable stainless steel construction can handle high grilling temperatures, ensuring it lasts for many cookouts. With a generous cooking area of 12 inches by 13.5 inches, you have plenty of space to prepare a variety of foods at once. The perforated design allows heat to circulate evenly, enhancing the smoky flavor of your dishes while preventing smaller items from slipping through. Plus, the sturdy handles make it easy for you to maneuver the basket safely, whether you're placing it on the grill or taking it off.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.